How to use Bowmonk Connected. Once you have carried out the service brake and hand brake tests on the vehicle, submit the results using Bowmonk Connected. Connect your decelerometer to your computer using the provided cable and make sure it is switched on. Open Bowmonk Connected on the computer desktop. Check for decelerometer connected and MTS connection status connected. There will be one or more vehicles information displayed. Click Select next to the vehicle you are submitting results for. Click the tick boxes in each test box so there is a tick mark inside. Check the results match the decelerometer results. Click the Send to MTS button. Click OK and close Bowmonk Connected. Your results have been submitted with Bowmonk Connected. You've reached the end of our Bowmonk Connected tutorial. Thanks for watching.